You can make the icons on your home screen a little bit bigger so they're easier to see. To do that, you start by going to Settings. We'll scroll down to Display and Brightness. Then scroll down again to View. Now here are two examples. On the left you can see the standard view, and on the right is the zoomed view. And you can see the icons on the right are just a little bit bigger. So I'm going to change the settings on my iPhone to zoomed. And then in the upper right, I'll click Set. Now to make this change, the iPhone, when I click this button, it will automatically restart. And I'm fine with that. It's pretty brief. I'm going to click Use Zoomed. And done. That's it. That's how you change the size of the icons on your home screen.